Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the physical basics. Inspect the cable and connectors closely for frays or bends, because damaged wires reduce current and prevent fast charging. Once done, clean the phone USB-C port and cable tip using compressed air or a non-metal pick. Make sure no lint blocks the pins. Then check the adapter label to confirm it supports fast charging standards and the correct wattage, since using a low-watt adapter limits charging speed. Next, you switch to the correct hardware and settings. Choose an adapter that explicitly lists PD25W or higher, Samsung Adaptive Fast Charging, or QC3. 0, because the phone negotiates higher current only with compatible chargers. Make sure you use a certified USB-C to USB-C cable or the original Samsung cable, since cable gauge matters for current flow. Once connected, go to Settings, Battery, Charging Options, and enable. To finish, you test the setup. Plug in and observe the charging animation and battery percentage to confirm rapid increase. Measure for 15 minutes to see a clear difference. If it's slow, swap cables and adapters one at a time to isolate the faulty part. This tells you whether the cable or adapter caused the problem. If swapping fails, reboot the phone, install system updates, and try safe mode. Because software bugs or background apps can throttle charging, this is the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.